because we cannot maintain this vision, the finger pointing and the lack of coordination forever. We cannot. We simply cannot. Not long because we will reap what we sow, and what we must aim to reap is a better life, accessible health care for every resident of Statia, Sabre, and Bonaire. Not long because for the sake of those for whom we care, those we help, and those we heal, we must teach others and collaborate with each other. We must trust each other in this process. So as you deliberate today and tomorrow during the seminar, it is important that you emerge with clear, practical plans that will instill confidence in communities of Sabre, Statia, and Bonaire, that we are willing, that we are prepared and committed to coordinate our efforts better so that patients can feel safe and can feel cared for. This is a good time as any to examine the most vexing concerns. And the questions are general practitioners listening to their patients? Are the patients providing the general practitioners with the right and complete information? How are we managing complaints? And do we dismiss complaints from patients based on who they are? These are all critical questions that require urgent and honest responses if we are to instill confidence in the people whom we serve. Confidence that we know what we are doing, and confidence that we care. It has been 12 years since the introduction of this general healthcare system for the islands of Statia, Sabre, and Bonaire.